Using a one-pole breaker to obtain 208 volts for equipment in a QO panel is not recommended for several reasons. Firstly, it violates the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 408.3c, which requires that 208-volt, three-phase systems use a three-pole breaker. Using a one-pole breaker would contravene this code, potentially leading to failed electrical inspections and incurring fines. Secondly, it poses an electrical safety hazard. A one-pole breaker would create an unbalanced load, potentially overloading the neutral conductor. This overload can cause overheating, insulation failure, and ultimately, electrical fires. Thirdly, it can lead to equipment damage. 208-volt equipment is designed for three-phase power. Connecting it to a single-phase supply via a one-pole breaker can damage the equipment or significantly reduce its operational efficiency. Fourthly, it can result in panel overload. A one-pole breaker in a QO panel occupies two adjacent breaker spaces. This reduces the number of circuits that can be added to the panel, thereby limiting the overall functionality of the electrical system. Fifthly, it can complicate future expansion. If there are plans to expand the electrical system later, using a one-pole breaker for 208 volts can make it more difficult to accommodate additional loads. It's advisable to install a dedicated three-pole breaker from the start to prevent potential problems down the line. The correct solution is to utilize a dedicated three-pole breaker rated for 208 volts. This approach ensures proper electrical safety, prevents panel overloading, and provides the necessary capacity for future expansion of the electrical system.